'Tis the season to be at the Pool Shop to find the perfect spa for you. I mean, it might be a little too big, Donna, to wrap and put under the Christmas tree.
You could add a bow.
You could just either add a bow or take a picture of it and wrap that.
There we go.
Yeah.
But we can have it there in time for Christmas.
That's amazing.
So Christmas morning, you could be soaking in your own hot tub.
Yes, please.
Relaxing. We have tons to choose from. They're here. They're in the store, ready to be delivered to you. We have tons of promotions going on right now, so it's a great time to buy. Be able to find exactly what you're looking for and maybe save some money.
Okay, so in this room over here, we've got the marquee spas. Now, these are kind of like the bougier, upscale, high-end spas.
Yes.
Okay, what makes them different from, say, the ones we're leaning on right now?
Well, I mean, every spa we sell is going to give you that therapy, that hydrotherapy that you're looking for. But with your marquee, you're getting those nice features of inline sanitizer, so you don't have to worry about daily adding chlorine. It's going to do it for you.
Really?
Yeah, and it's going to filter for you, run those filter cycles, keep the tub clean. So it's just a lot less for you to have to think about. They're very well insulated, so they're going to keep those running costs down, which is something we're all worried about these days with energy. So. With lots of different sizes to choose from, so whether you're looking for the big family spa, big party spa for New Year's maybe, or we have those intimate ones for just maybe the two of you, and you know, or just yourself.
There you go.
To get rid of all those aches and pains, there's a nice small one there. It's a little 4-seater that's just perfect. If you don't want that big spa.
And I love the features on them they're so easy to use. Everything has now been upgraded to like a touchscreen feature, and you can really, it's all kind of self-explanatory.
Exactly, and that's one of the nice things about our Canadian-made Lacoste spas is most of the models come Wi-Fi ready.
Wi-Fi ready?
You can download the app and you can control that spa from your phone.
So you don't even have to be anywhere near it yet.
Outside.
You don't even have to go outside. You can turn it on. You can get it all ready.
You can check your filtration cycle.
No!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Now the Lacoste spas are very nice as well. They have lots and lots of power. So most of these spas have got 3 or 4 pumps on them, up to 100 jets, tons of power, great LED lighting, fountain features, just, really make that entertaining fun.
I think the last time I was in here, I turned on a fountain feature and I got myself soaked.
It was this guy right over here. And
if anyone's wondering why Donna is limping, she broke her toe. So that's why we're keeping her in the same spot today.
Because just in time for Christmas.
Just in time for Christmas. Oh, there we go.
Moms have nothing to do.
No, moms aren't busy at all at this time of year.
So there we have it.
That's gorgeous.
That's great for entertaining.
That's amazing. It's just like a nice little water feature.
It is.
Beautiful.
It's just fun.
Okay, coming up, we're talking all about billiard tables, but before we get there, I want Luke to show us the Weekender. The Weekender is the spa that you can just bring to your house.
Bring it home right now.
Yeah, plug it in.
Maybe you're not ready, doesn't matter. You can sit it anywhere and start using it right now. So if you're worried that you weren't able to get a pad in time for this winter, that's okay. You can grab one of these, bring it home, and start using it right away.
It's amazing, and it's the same amazing relaxation benefits, hydrotherapy benefits, and you know what? They might even throw the big rubber ducky right in with it. Okay, coming up, pool tables. We're talking all about gaming fun. Make sure you stay with us from the Pool Shop here in Hamilton. All right, pool tables galore here at the Pool Shop. It is not just about swim spas or pools, whether they be indoor or outdoor. They have tons of stuff here for indoor and outdoor fun. When it comes to billiards, you've got foosball tables, which we're going to talk about later. We've got air hockey. You've got everything here, Donna.
Everything. So if you're stuck indoors this winter, looking for something to keep the family entertained, this is the thing to do. Maybe you don't have a pool table yet. We also have lots of pool cues to choose from. Over 600 cues in stock, so if you're looking for last-minute gifts, this is the place to shop. Let's avoid the mall. Come here, family-run company. So
it's true.
You're supporting local. And,
I love that.
And you can come in, you can try out the pool cue. Make sure you know what you're getting. Looking for something for the ladies. We've got a great lineup of ladies pool cues, but.
Maybe that's my problem. I'm trying to use a man's pool cue, and
you need a ladies' pool cue.
I can only sink one ball.
But more importantly, we have a great stock of pool tables right now. So lots of pool tables in stock, and we can still get them in time for Christmas.
Really?
So if you come in and you see us we will help you out. We will help you find the right table for you, help you pick out your cloth colors, make sure that you have everything that you need. Comes with a full player's kit, so you're going to get everything you need with that pool table. We'll bring it in, we'll include delivery and setup.
Well, that was going to be my next question. So if I do order a pool table and I want it to be a gift, what's kind of the last day that you guys can come and set it up for me?
Come and see me because we still can do it before Christmas. So
That's awesome.
yeah, if you even come in next weekend, we can still do it in time for Christmas. So
You can hide it in the basement.
yeah, and then we have all these great pick your promos going on in the store. So
Okay.
we're going to have lots of savings. So either you can pick between an instant rebate, a gift card, or 0% financing. So, you know, we can help you out, save you some money this Christmas, but still get you a really cool gift that's going to keep you entertained all winter long.
Well, and it's the gift that keeps on giving, because I know
Right.
you even have outdoor pool tables. So if people have, you know, invested in one of those and they're like, you know what, I love this so much, I want one inside.
Inside, yep. And then we also have our matching shuffleboard tables. So you can get the pool table, and if you still got space, you can do a matching shuffleboard table as well.
I do love
So
shuffleboard. It's fun.
It's a fun game that anybody can play.
Yeah, kids
and
even love it.
We have different sizes in stock, so 12 foot, 9 foot, something
Amazing.
for everybody's room. And then, of course, we can accessorize everything for you. We have that here, upgraded balls and lights and everything you could need for your
You
for
can
your
make
room.
it look like
Yeah.
your own indoor billiard.
Hall.
Yeah,
Yep. At a
totally.
bar.
At a bar. You can even throw in a bar.
They're on sale as well.
Okay, coming up, we're talking foosball tables, we're talking air hockey, all the fun stuff to keep you busy this winter. Lots more coming up from the Pool Shop. For the first time, Liam is now joining us for our video game / foosball / air hockey / fun times at the Pool Shop. Liam, what are we doing right now?
Right now we're losing at Galaga.
Well, you're losing at Galaga.
Yeah,
It's my
now
turn
it's your
now.
turn.
Okay. This is an awesome 2-player arcade game that you guys sell here.
Yep, so this is our arcade cocktail table. You can play seated like we're doing right now, or standing. You can play up to 2 different players, so you know, don't have to have the kids be like, whose turn is it next?
That's amazing.
That's pretty nice.
And they're like old school arcade games, which I love. Like, what's that one? That one's Pac-Man, and you can
That
also
one,
play what?
oh yeah. So this one's got 60 different classics. Pac-Man, Galaga like you're playing, Donkey Kong, and then our standing arcade cabinet right there's got 412 different games. So you're not getting bored anytime
I'm sorry,
soon.
did you say 412?
412, yeah.
That's incredible.
Yeah, you're not gonna get bored.
Oh, that is so cool as an added addition to the basement when you have pool tables and everything else. Okay, so we've got arcade games and we've got your classic foosball. Everybody loves foosball.
Yeah, so these are Fabi and Roberto. They're both made in Italy. They got tempered glass, so it ain't breaking anytime soon, even if you hit it that hard. No shatter, no scratches. They also got telescopic rods. So
What does
you
that
see
mean?
here, it means that the rods aren't gonna go at the other side. So you're not gonna poke each other when you're playing.
Oh,
Bounces off just like that.
oh, that is super cool. Because yeah, normally you have to watch out for the sticky, like the pool bits.
Exactly.
All right, okay. Ooh.
There you go.
Getting better and better as the day goes on. And then we also have air hockey. What's so great about air hockey? Why do people love air hockey?
Well, it's fun for everyone. It's fun for the whole family. So, you know, the kids might like it, but the adults might play it when the kids go to sleep too. So
It's true. I would play when my kids are awake. Are they easy to transport? Like if I wanted one of these, how quickly could you get it to my house?
as quick as you want, really.
Really?
You can come, it's cash and carry, or we can deliver it to you if you want as well. But yeah,
that's
if
awesome.
you have a big enough truck or something like that, we can load it in and get you going,
And
just
then,
like that.
and then it's yours. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this is our Jet Striker here. It's our like plain, air hockey table. It's got a good air surface, quick air surface. Also, you can add on though, we have our ping pong conversion top here. So basically, you get 2 tables in one.
Oh, that is super smart.
Saves you a lot of space, yeah.
Saves you a lot of space, but adds to all the fun.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool. And
And
then
if you-
just like folds. That's easy.
Yeah, so it just pops off. So if you're not using it, we just take off the 2 sheets just like that.
Oh, nice.
You can go store it somewhere else. We have storage containers that you can wheel it out and everything too. Just get those separate and yeah.
That's very, very cool.
And if you think 2-in-1 is good,
Oh no, you do not have a 3-in-1.
So this is our brand new, it's our 3-in-1 table. And so if you're looking at it right now, it
Yeah.
looks just like an air hockey table, just like that.
Totally.
I've already unclamped the 2 clamps on that side.
Okay.
But if I just unclamp these 2, you can just flip it super easy, just like that.
No,
Yep.
stop it right now.
And you got a 7-foot billiards table, just like that.
That's amazing. And then you have the ping pong to go on top of
And
that too.
there's a separate one. That one's a little bit big for this
Yeah.
one, but yeah, we have another ping pong conversion top just for this one too.
Oh my
So 3
gosh.
tables in one. Think about the storage you're gonna save.
Yeah.
Think about the money too. Instead of buying
Yeah.
3 separate tables, you get it all in one.
Hours of fun. Well, thank you so much, Liam. That's awesome. So cool. So if you're looking for something like this for this Christmas holiday season, come on into the Pool Shop and pick one up, throw it in your truck, and you can bring it home today. Lots more coming up from the Pool Shop on Morning Live. The joy of gift giving here at the Pool Shop. This is incredibly addictive. It's like a tabletop of skee ball, which is amazing. It's just like it is at the arcade, Celia. Tell me about some of the gifts you have here. I know you have some that are like under 10 bucks, then you've got under 20 bucks, you've got under 50 bucks. Like, you really can't go wrong.
So we have a lot under 25, under 50. So these games are going to be under 25, under 50. This one's under 100. It's a Rogue dartboard, only $59.99.
Wow.
We also do have these new Shop Dart collab with the Pool Shop darts.
Wait,
So
we
it's-
have our own darts now?
Yeah, they're pretty cool. So it's actually 90% tungsten, and they're on for a really good deal right now for $89.99.
Wow.
And those are pretty new too. So yeah, they're pretty cool. And then we also do have a deal going on during December 20th to the 24th. If you spend over 100, you can get a free gift. As well as we also have these Delta Qs over here. Oh, sorry.
That's all right. I always get in Luke's way. He doesn't mind.
Yeah, so over here we have some Delta Qs. So we have a deal going on where if you spend $99, you can get 2 Delta Qs, or you can get a Q in a case for $99 as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so great. So you come in, you buy a gift for someone you love, and maybe you get yourself a gift at the same time.
Exactly. It's a win-win scenario.
It is a win-win scenario.
Yeah, so a lot of these are going to be like on this table. I find there's a lot of 50 and under gifts. The skee ball, the Plinko. The Plinko's always fun.
Plinko's awesome.
Yeah, and then we have a lot of barware over there. We also have that pup plank over there. So that's a bit of a new product that we have. It's great for the furry friends. So if you have like a
I was
pool,
going to say, what is a pup plank?
yeah, so if you have like a pool, a boat, or even a deck at the cottage, you
Yeah.
can attach that to there. So it just helps the dogs get up onto the shore better.
Oh, that's so
Yeah, and we have it in mini
smart.
and XL, so it works for like the little pups and bigger ones.
Oh my gosh, that is a brilliant invention.
Yeah, we really wanted to showcase all of the little items we have and like the various variety of items that we have.
Well,
here
talk
at the
about
Pool Shop.
stocking stuffers.
Right? Yeah, a lot of good stuff too over there. All the kitchen towels, the coasters. We have sport coasters, just little funny ones as well.
Oh yeah, these are great.
Yeah.
Wine goes in, wisdom comes out. I think I'm going to get that for cameraman Luke.
Yeah, no, we have a lot of great stuff here. Even these cue balls right here are only $69.99, so you don't have to break the bank.
Yeah. Well, you can really afford to do all of your Christmas shopping here at the Pool Shop. Thank you so much,
problem.
Celia, for showcasing all of this amazing stuff. Of course, we're going to have all the information on our website at chch.com, or you can go to the Pool Shop website, and that is poolshop.ca.